Okay, my friends, we have the second Sicha this week, the third Sicha, and it discusses that the Bechor sacrifice should be eaten like the Korban Shlomim. And the Rebbe goes and explains why Rashi had to get into the details he did. But what a fantastic idea that this Sicha tells us. This Sicha tells us that our default setting is we're perfect. That's our default setting. When we get into trouble, you restore factory settings. That's all we need to do is restore factory settings. Everyone is asking, how do I add in my hiskashrus to the Rebbe? So we know from Tanya, and there's a truth, that every single Jew is connected to the Tzaddik Hadoir. Automatically, that is the default factory settings. You know what's missing? What's missing is our consciousness of it. How do we bring our consciousness of it? The Hayom Yom says it's very simple. There's no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts, and it's as simple as it is hard. If you learn the Rebbe's Torah and you learn the connection, because the Rebbe is a Rebbe to teach us a derech and avodas Hashem. So you have to be interested in wanting to grow in your avodas Hashem. To do that, you have to make a cheshbon hanefesh. The details become not hard, just soul searching. But we always need to remember, if you lose the plot, restore factory settings. It's as simple and as complicated as that. Sei mir alle gesund.